This is Pavan Kumar D, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. Last session we discussed the solution of differential equation by variable separable method, homogeneous methods, and exact differential equation form. The given differential equation is not exact differential equation form. Here we have to get the solution of the differential equation by different methods. Here in that one, first method is integrating factors. Here integrating factor, that is, a non-exact differential equation can always be made exact by multiplying it some functions of x and y. Such a function is called integrating factor. Integrating factor is found by inspection. Using the following few exact differentials, it is easy to find the integrating factors. Derivative of x by y is y dx minus x dy by y square. Derivative of y by x is x dy minus y dx by x square. Derivative of xy is x dy plus y dx. Derivative of x square y is 2yx dx minus x square y dy by y square. Derivative of y square by x is 2xy dy minus y square dx by x square. Derivative of x square by y square is 2x square dx minus 2x square y dy by y to the power of 4. Derivative of y square by x square is 2x square y dy minus 2y square x dx by x to the power of 4. Derivative of 1 by xy is 1 minus 1 by x square y square of x dy plus y dx. Derivative of log y by x is x dy minus y dx by xy. Derivative of log x by is y dx minus x dy by xy. Derivative of tan inverse x by y is y dx minus x dy by x square plus y square. Derivative of tan inverse y by x is x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. Derivative of e power x by y is y e power x dx minus e power x dy by y square. Derivative of e power y by x is x e power y dy minus e power y dx by x square. Derivative of minus 1 by x by is x dy plus y dx by x square y square. Derivative of 1 by x log of x square plus y square is x dy plus y dx by x square plus y square. These are the few formulas to find the integrating factor of the given differential equations. Solve the x dy minus y dx is equal to a of x square plus y square dy. The given differential equations multiplying on both sides by 1 by x square plus y square. That is x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square a dy is equal to a into tan inverse y by x a dy. Integrating on both sides, tan inverse y by x is equal to ay plus c. This is the differential equation. 1 plus xy y dx plus 1 minus xy x dy equal to 0. We have to simplify this one. Y dx plus xy square dx plus x dy minus x square y dy equal to 0. That is x dy plus y dx, keep it as one side, plus xy square dx minus x square y dy equal to 0. This is the derivative of xy plus xy square dx minus x square y dy is equal to 0. Multiplying on both sides by 1 by x square y square, we get derivative of xy by x square y square plus the remaining is 1 by x dx minus 1 by y dy equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, we are getting the minus 1 by xy plus log x minus log y is equal to c. This in this differential equation, we have to convert it into a derivative form, then we have to integrate it, we get the solution of the differential equation. Yeah, we have to convert into a basic formula, that is derivative formula. 2xy square dx is equal to e power x dy minus y dx. 2x square y dx 2xy square dx is equal to e power x dy minus y dx. Multiplying by 1 by y square, that is 2x is equal dx is equal to e power x dy minus y dx by y square. Here 2x dx is equal to e power x 1 by y square dy minus y by y square dx. Here 2x dx is equal to minus y dx e power x e power x dy by y square, that is 2x dx is equal to minus derivative of e power x by y. Here integrating on both sides, we are getting 2x integration 2 into x square by 2, 2 to cancel, we are getting x square. E power x by y is equal to c. Here we have to simplify it, we are getting e power x plus yx square plus yc is equal to 0. Solve the differential equation y dx minus x dy plus log x dx is equal to 0. Here y dx minus x dy plus log x dx is equal to 0. Multiplying on both sides by 1 by x square, y dx minus x dy by x square plus log x by x square dx is equal to 0. Now keep it, minus is a common, x dy minus y dx by x square plus log x by x square dx is equal to 0. Here minus d of y by x plus log x by x square dx is equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, we are getting derivative of y by x plus log x by x square dx. Here log x by uv method, integration of uv method, that is u integration of uv dx is equal to u of integration of v dx minus u dash integration of v dx whole dx. Here using that formula, we are getting u is the log x, v is the 1 by x square. We have to substitute in that formula, we are simplify it, we are getting minus y by x minus log x by x plus integration of 1 by x square dx is equal to c. That is equal to minus y by x minus log x by x minus 1 by x is equal to log c. Yeah, next differential equation is y of 2x square y plus e power x dx minus e power x plus y cube dy equal to 0. Here we have to multiply by y. We are getting the 2x square y square dx plus e power x y dy dx minus e power x dy minus y cube dy equal to 0. Multiplying on both sides by 1 by y square. Here the given equation goes to 2x square dx plus e power x by y dx minus e power x by y square dy minus y dy equal to 0. Here 2x square dx plus y e power x dx minus e power x dy by y square. This one can be written as derivative of e power x by y. Here now we have to integrating on both sides. We are getting the 2x square dx plus derivative of e power x by y minus integration of y dy is equal to c. Here that is 2x cube by 3 plus e power x by y minus y square by 2 is equal to c. Here we have to take the LCM, that is 6 by 4x cube y plus 6 e power x plus 3y cube is equal to c. Here we are getting the result 4x cube y plus 6 e power x minus 3y cube equal to c. Here this is the integrating factor by using the inspection method. Here every time you have to find the derivative of that function, it is very difficult. In that situations we have to find the integrating factor by depending upon the differential equation. The next session we discuss the finding the integrating factor that depending upon the model of the first order differential equation.